Hi guys, I have a few items to share today. I did restock the greeting farm because I'm working on the coffee break stamp set, so I've stamped out my cute little image and started coloring. I'm going to add that to the fall background stamp. So I'm working on that. I have I have a couple of the birthday wishes die. And I have the mini remix friend, which is really cute. I love the ones with the coffee. There's one with a planner. And then here's that coffee break stamp set that is so cute. And I got the new Picket Fence release in, some items from there. So we've got the Thankfully die, which also has a backdrop for the sentiment. I had to pick up this from a previous release. This is the Woodsy Forest die. I just really like how it frames in, say you put an image in the middle, it frames in your image, and I think it's really, really cute. We've got this beautiful girl from their beautiful collection, and she is called Fran. She's reading a magazine. There's a lot of Halloween stamps which are really cute. I love this one. This is the Witch Please. Super, super cute. And then there's some silhouettes, a bat, looks like a flying frog, and a crow. And the sentiments read, "Is that time of year again?" Hashtag stay spooky. Witch please. You say witch like it's a bad thing. This one I absolutely love. This beautiful silhouette of the trees and the hill. This one is called On Autumn Countryside. Thought that was so pretty. Here's a really pretty stencil. It's like broken glass. It's very, very fine and intricate. And then we've got a cloud stencil. I like the solid clouds. This one is super cute. There's a coordinating die for it. Isn't that adorable? It's cute little trick-or-treaters. And then there's a spider with a lot of eyeballs. So, so cute. These would make great tags. Little characters on treat bags. And then there's this spooky background. Let's see, this one is called, I don't see the name on this one, but this is the one with all the little ghosts. So cute stuff from Picket Fence. I have this mixed media stencil, the spider web, which will go perfect with all your Halloween stamps. Very, very cute. I do only have one of each of these that came in stock. These are from 49 and Market. We've got the Gabby Circle Stitch stamp and the Gabby Loose Thread stamp. And I love this one for the texture that you can add onto your images. And then this really cool like twirled up twine, which would be so cute with the sentiment right over that. And then the stitching to frame around your circles is just so cute. From Stamperia, I was able to get only a few of the pink Christmas scrapbooking cards, and sorry if this is sold out when you get to it. I will try to get more. These are really, really pretty. They're 24 double-faced sheets. They got all these images in there. And I wasn't able to get the paper. It's on back order, so we'll see if that comes in. And then I was able to pick a couple of this flowers for you. Really pretty. And then this one, gorgeous colors and flowers and patterns. So you can find those under paper. Just click on paper. You'll see those come up as newest. So that is what I have to share. Oh, and I did bring in this Nuvo glitter drops. This is a new color. This is the silver crystals. Another new color, we've got aqua plains in the jewel drops. And another new color is lunar rocket shimmer powder. So this is like a color burst. You sprinkle the powder on your paper and then spray water on it and the colors just burst. It's really, really pretty color. And then we've got the art glitter glue in the small handy size. It's 2 ounces. And the Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. They both dry clear. And then the VersaFine Clear in Nocturne ink. This is my favorite ink to stamp with for sentiments. It's just awesome. So thank you so much, guys, for checking out the new items. I will be back soon with my card video. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.